Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, check the key fits smoothly and the knob cylinder rotates. Make sure the door is closed and your free hand steadies the knob to prevent wobble. Insert the key fully, then feel for the pin stack seating. Slight resistance is normal. Once the key is seated, push the key gently inward to overcome spring tension while keeping the knob from turning. This prevents stripping and readies you for the next, deliberate turning motion. You now perform the core action. Apply steady, confident pressure to the key and turn it toward the locked orientation. Small, controlled turns work better than forceful jerks. As you turn, use your other hand to hold the knob or door frame to stabilize the mechanism. This prevents the cylinder from rotating out of alignment. If the key feels sticky, wiggle it 1 to 2 millimeters while maintaining turning pressure. That helps pins set. Keep breathing. Slow, deliberate motion protects the key and lock. Finish by returning the key to neutral and testing the knob. Turn the handle gently to confirm the latch retracts only when unlocked and that the door stays secure when locked. Remove the key slowly, then try the knob again to verify engagement. If the key binds or won't turn fully, do not force it. Instead, use a graphite lock lubricant and retry. If problems persist, pick a spare key or call a locksmith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.